Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? On today's video, we'll be doing a very simple dinner. We're going to be cooking up some broccoli and cauliflower. We're going to be currying some chickpeas with potato, and we're going to boil a little bit of rice, and we're going to bake some chicken. So if it's your first time to the channel, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, leave a comment. Let's get right into this video. We're outside. Stay tuned and watch the progress. Yes, guys, so as you can see, I have all the ingredients here that is going to be placed into my recipe today, my lunch. Okay, I have 3 potatoes, I have an onion, I have 2 heads of garlic, or 2 pegs of garlic, if you want to call it that. I have a piece of bell pepper, a carrot, I have some lettuce, okay, I have my broccoli. No, this is cauliflower. No, this is broccoli. I have my broccoli and I have my cauliflower here. And I have my chickpeas. Yes, these 2 little boxes contains chickpeas that I'm going to be currying the chickpeas with these 3 potatoes to make a gravy. I have the rice here. This is my rice, that's going to be boiled, at least a cup of rice to add with the vegetables. All right. And I'm going to be putting some chicken in the oven. I have some drumsticks here and 2 chicken breasts. Already seasoned, pre-seasoned from last evening or last night, if you want to call it that. All right. Then you see I bring out the Pyrex again. The Pyrex out again. This is where the curry going in. This pot is a very solid pot. You know, it's really heavy and it could hold a lot of heat. So I know that curry will cook in no time. I have my pan here ready for the rice and to boil the vegetables. I'm going to be boiling the broccoli and cauliflower in some star anise and different spices. So stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Let's go whip up a delicious dinner. We outside. Yes, guys, so let me start getting things together. Let me just rinse this pot out and add some water to put the rice on. I gotta wash the rice as well. All right, that should be enough water. And now put it on the burner there and start him up. Let me also add some water for the vegetables as well. Okay, and water for the vegetables as well. And now I'm going to start. Yes, guys, so I have this little pot here and we adding some water to it. All right, and then I'm going to be washing my rice. All right, this is my rice here. See my rice? I'm going to be putting it here. Make sure all the rice come out from that box. Nothing in remain. See, I rip it open. Nothing inside the box. That's the end of the rice. Alright, now let me start washing the rice. Strain off that water. You see all the water white? You have to strain this till the water get clean. Let me strain. I mean, you have to wash it until the water get clean. I find my words fighting me today, boy. Words real fighting me today. Wash them again. Yes, guys. time to add the rice. The water started to bubble here, so time to add the rice. To the water. That's just like 2 cups of rice. Alright. So that way I have like lunch for 2 days. Alright. Alright guys, so let me just peel up these 3 potatoes here. 3 potatoes and this carrot and this pepper, this piece of pepper, and get the, I had to peel this onion too and get the curry all going. Alright. Time to get the curry chickpeas going. So stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Let me just peel these potatoes here. So after peeling them, I will then wash them and get them cut up and then add it to the chickpeas when I curry in the chickpeas. Alright. I know I'm supposed to be using a potato peeler, but in the Caribbean we are accustomed using knife. Potato peeler is a foreign thing. We are accustomed to knife. Alright. Then I have this piece of pepper here. It have a little bad spot. Cut that out. Cut out all the seeds and thing here. Alright. Alright, I'll wash that. Then I have an onion here. Alright, then the carrot. Alright, this is just a scrape. So stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. We're outside. Yes, guys, welcome back. So, already have my potato and carrots and bell pepper. I have 2 garlic here already washed, so I'm about to dice them up. The pot Pyrex getting hot in the back there. Right, and then I have to cut these beans open. See, I have my scissors here. I'm going to be cutting these beans open to drain the water out from it, because I'm not using the water that's in the box. So I need to cut it like here and drain the water out from it in the sink. Alright, so I'm not using the water. Alright, I drain that off in the sink, and then I just use the contents of the box, which is the chickpeas. Get the box open up, as you know, when the curry ready, everything just right there at my fingertips. Alright. Alright, so the box is open up. If you look inside, you see chickpeas. Alright. Alright, so now I could go cut these things up really small. Cut up the potato. Alright. Potato is the first thing going in, because they take a little longer to cook than the chickpea. So this is the first thing going in the curry, the potatoes. Alright, talking about that, let me put some water on to get hot, because I can't use cold water, I have to use hot water. This kettle has given some trouble to come on. Right. So while, oh, it come off again, you see? Right, while that water getting hot, The kettle come off again. Very funny. Right, back on. Let me cut the carrots up now. Really small. Put in a piece of this carrot in the rice as well. Cut it up really small inside the rice as well. You know, so the rice wouldn't just be plain white rice, you know. Add a little bit of swag, if you want to call it that, to the rice. Alright. Alright. And the rest goes back into the plate. Now to cut up the bell pepper. Alright, so that's the bell pepper. And now the onion. Alright, now guys, I'm going to add this little piece of onion to the rice as well. It will give the rice a really nice flavor. If you didn't know, try it and you'll tell me. Yes guys, so the Pyrex pot hot in the back there, but what happened, I ran out of olive oil. So I'm going to be using a little bit of this vegetable oil today because I ran out of olive oil. So I just put a little bit of oil, not too much. Alright, and then I'm going to add my garlic, my 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add it in there. Woo! You hear that, guys? Whoa! It's ready for the garlic. You hear that? You hear that popping? That's the garlic burning there. Let me bring it a little closer so you guys could see the garlic. Yes, guys, you see the garlic? You see the garlic start to turn black? Yeah, when you see the garlic start to turn black like that, you see it looking black? Right. Now you're adding the curry. Alright, now you're adding the curry. Alright. Alright, guys, and now you're adding a little bit of water. Woo! Look at that. And then you add your veggies to that. And you mix them up. And then you add some more water. Alright guys, so stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Potato had to cook first. The rice cooking here. You know, I think I'll add a little bit of turmeric to the rice. You know, to give it a different look. You know, I'm going to add some of this turmeric powder to the rice. Alright. Just a little bit of turmeric powder and some black pepper will be added to the rice as well. Alright. Yes guys, I'm back. So, as you can see how beautiful the rice turned out. You see how the rice looking? Yeah, I added a little bit of turmeric to the rice. I added some carrots in there. And I added a little bit of black pepper. Alright. Now I know somebody's going to be asking, why did you put turmeric and black pepper in the rice? but it's a secret. I can't tell you. Let me test the rice. Yeah, man, the rice almost cooked. So I just turn down the stove really low and let it take your time and like kind of steam. All right. And while that's steaming, the curry, see what's going on with the curry there? Look at that. The curry doing its thing in the back here. The chickpeas and everything is already in. See, the chickpeas and the potato and everything is already in there. So the curry is doing its thing there. Alright. So the only step left now is to add the chicken to the oven. The oven is already being heated up. Alright. The vegetables gonna be the last thing on the list because some of the cauliflower are a little chunky, so I'll have to make it a little smaller. Alright. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Yes, guys. So I'm back again. You see the chickpeas and the potato almost finished. Alright. Everything already done season up. The curry already done season up. The rice finished already. The rice just there waiting on me. Alright. And if you're wondering what I put in the curry, I put some Maggi. Alright. And then I put some Sazon. Okay. I put some salt. And then I put some garlic powder as well. Alright. And now I'm going to put this. Now this is green seasonings. My wife came up with this idea. We buy the green seasonings, we blend it, we make seasoning out of it, and then we have it in these trays. So when you're ready, you just pop one cube out and you add it to the pot. Alright. See, you pop one cube out like that and you add it to the pot. Alright, and that's gonna make a world of difference. Alright, guys. I also have some frozen coconut milk in this container. It's frozen. I'm gonna add a little piece of it to the curry to give it a nice little flavor. Yes, right, guys, time for me to get the tray ready for the oven. The oven hot already. The oven waiting for the chicken right now. Alright, let me just get a sheet of this paper. Alright, just that piece. Alright, let's spread this out here. Alright, and time to add the chicken to it, guys. Alright, guys, here we have the chicken, as you can see. Alright, now we just add it to the paper here. Oh, this will be delicious. Yeah, I have two nice pieces of breast here. Alright. So you see all this nice good seasoning that remain here. I'm going to add some ketchup to it and some honey and make a paste to paste the chicken while it's in the oven. Alright? So stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Yes, guys. So guess what? There isn't any honey. The honey is finished. So guess what? I'm going to replace the honey with some scorpion. Yes, I'm going to put a little tip of scorpion inside there. 2 drops. And then I'm going to add some ketchup. I guess that will just make it spicy. Add some ketchup. That's enough ketchup. Ketchup and scorpion. What are we talking about? Get the spoon. I will also throw a little bit of vinegar as well. See? Vinegar. Yeah, this is the vinegar. I'll add a little tip of vinegar. Just a little, like that. And then that will be used to paste my chicken. So I'll just mix everything up like that. With all that good seasoning from last night. And mix everything up, mix everything up, mix everything up. Right? Ooh, if you only smell this, you only smelling the pepper. Right? Maybe I could put some, let me see if I have any, what you call it? Ooh, in the fridge here. Mustard. Let me see if I have mustard. Yep. I have this one. This brand. Alright, so let me just add a little bit of mustard. Just a little bit. Right. That's enough. Alright. Mustard, guys. Yep. And then mix it up. How nice that looking. Yep. That will be used to paste my chicken. So as soon as they start to dry up in the oven, I'll take them out and paste them with this paste. Alright. Yes, guys. So welcome back. So I'll just take the chicken out the oven there. And now I'm going to put the paste on it. Alright. So everything will have a nice even color. Alright. I already did one side. So now I'm doing the other side. This is the paste I made with ketchup and scorpion pepper and vinegar. Alright. Boy, this chicken will taste real nice. And when I done paste this on, I place it back in the oven. It's on 200 degrees in the oven, and that's it. So next time you see this chicken, it will be ready for consumption. What? I'm using big words. It will be ready to be eaten. Alright? Fluffy Diva TV, how you going? Big up Fluffy Diva TV. Right, that is it. So time to put it back in the oven. So stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. Yes, guys. So now this water boiling up here to put in the vegetables. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit of 5-star, 5-spice powder. Not 5-star, 5-spice. I don't know. For some strange reason, my words real fighting me today. Alright. A little bit of 5-spice powder in the water. Not 5-star, 5-spice. Alright. And I'm going to be adding 1 star anise. Just 1 star anise. Alright, that will give the vegetables a really nice flavor. If you never tried it, guys, now is the time to try it. What are you waiting for? And remember where you saw it? On Trini in Finland. This food go be lashing when I'm done with it here. Let me take out this chicken now from the oven and see how it looking. Oh my lord. Look at the chicken, guys. Look at that. You couldn't ask for anything better than that. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken, guys. Just waiting to be eaten. Alright, I'm gonna add some more sauce on it while it cool. Add a little more sauce. That is it, guys. The chicken ready. That is it. So now let me just add the vegetables now to the pan and just let it boil for a few minutes. And after that, it's time to eat. Yep, just add them in the pan like that. Alright, you bring the water to a boil, and then after it starts to boil for like 2 minutes, you lower it down and you leave them to sit in the water for a few minutes. And after that, you're ready to eat. Alright. So that is it there. Now let me add the broccoli. Alright, add the broccoli to that. And that's it, guys. That will taste so good. You wouldn't believe it. Alright, guys, so now I just let that come to a boil for like a minute or so, and then I let it sit in the water a little. May add a little salt. Right, and let it sit in the water for a little after it comes to a boil, and then it's finished. As you can see, the chickpeas and potato is already finished. Curry chickpeas and potato. The rice is done as well. See the rice here? It's done. And the wings just came out the oven. Ta-da! Right. So, next time you see me, I'll be sitting in front of a plate, enjoying this meal. Alright? Simra, how are you doing, Simra? Bless up yourself, Simra. Simra is the one who told me she wanted to see more veggies in the video. So, I'm doing cauliflower and broccoli, and I have some lettuce as well, just because Simra asks. Okay? So, Simra, you see, I have veggies in the video. Just for you. Savi's Hot Kitchen. Wagwan. Bless up yourself, Savi's Hot Kitchen. Stay tuned and watch the progress. Guys. Yes, guys, welcome back. So, as you can see in front of me, the food is finished. See the curry just bubbling there. It's finished. It's just on its way out right now. So, I'm about to go share the food. So, stay tuned, guys. Well, I know somebody reach home, so you know I have to share for 2 now instead of 1. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Ooh, look at the rice. I'm just giving you a little bit of rice, eh? Yeah. Alright. They only want a little bit of rice. See the rice? Look how pretty. Alright. And they don't like broccoli, so I guess it's just cauliflower. Yeah. 2 cauliflower. And then I put some of the chickpeas and potato. Ooh, look at that, guys. Delicious, eh? I know some of you licking all your mouth right now. Right? And then I'll get the chicken in the oven. What you want, a leg or a breast?
I'll try the breast.
A breast? Okay. So, see the chicken here, guys? So I'm gonna give her this breast. Alright? Put it there. Okay, guys? So, guys, this is the meal. This is what the meal looks like. See the curry, the chickpeas, broccoli, the chicken, and the saffron rice. Alright? So here you go.
Alright. Ooh, looking good.
Enjoy.
Really a knife, darling, and a fork.
Of course.
Will you put some dill on the chicken?
Alright. So now, let me take out mine and sit down and eat like everybody else. Well, of course, you know my plate will be a bigger plate. You see how big it is? Yep. And let me wake up the rice a little bit. Alright. Alright. Alright, rice here now. Alright, and then add some vegetables. You know me, I love broccoli. So you see, I'm the broccoli guy. Broccoli. And I take some cauliflower. Then I'll add some chickpeas and potato. Guys, look at that food. Tell me that food ain't looking good. Look at that. And I ain't add the chicken yet, eh? That's just the food. Alright, I'm gonna get the chicken now. Only don't mind my squeaky oven, eh? I go take 2 drumstick. Yeah, I go take 2 drumstick. Alright, put that back. Guys, so look at my food. Delicious. Look at that. Look at the chicken. Look at them drumstick. Stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. I'm going to deal with this food. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Somebody just come home. Watch. Soon as she come home, you see she still have on all she clothes. She ready to dive in.
You want me to what? I have all my clothes?
No, you still have on your work clothes. That's what I meant.
All right.
Right?
I was almost saying something now.
Look what's going on here, guys. Watch.
Let me see the chicken now. Oy.
And she add some kind of jam in the plate there.
The chicken real nice. I can taste garlic.
Okay.
Num num.
What about the chickpeas?
Let me see.
Okay.
Really good. I really like it, darling. You know really how to cook.
And I see you have something on the cauliflower there.
Yeah, I put some, what you call this? Soy sauce.
Oh.
I like cauliflower with soy sauce.
Alright.
But I can feel the burn. You put the, what you call it, the scorpion? Your favorite.
Yeah, my favorite.
Yeah.
Scorpion.
That one I can, it kind of burn in my lips. What did you add to the cauliflower? It has something in it.
Yeah. Wouldn't you like to know?
Was it tarragon?
Nope.
No. Well, I don't know.
I boiled them in star anise and 5 spice powder.
All right.
Yeah, that's give it a real nice flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like cauliflower. Are you not gonna eat at all?
Of course, I'm gonna eat now.
All right.
Yes, guys. So it's my turn to start sampling the food. All right. So first, I'm gonna put some soy sauce on the cauliflower because that does make it taste real good.
You need to buy more soy sauce, darling. It's almost finished.
Somebody give me that idea. Can't tell you who it is.
Yeah.
And where the scorpion?
That I don't know.
Where the scorpion, boy?
Oh, there,
look the scorpion here, man. See the scorpion here? Don't leave home without this. This is very important. Always have a bottle in your bag. Understand? It's coming handy. Although I'm not using any today because the food kind of spicy. So,
Yeah.
but I just letting you know, don't leave home without your scorpion. Right? Yeah. Well, I already know that was good. All right.
How did you know? How did you know?
Because I cook it. Broccoli, even better.
Oh my goodness.
I don't mind somebody was saying, oh, it's not you cooking, it's the wife cooking. It's me cooking. The person who said that know who they are. Now let me taste the peas and the rice together. The saffron rice. Or the turmeric rice. It's good. Chicken, see the chicken? Oh, look at that. Look at that chicken.
Nice,
look at that
boy.
chicken now, boy.
Boy,
I'm gonna take a bite.
take a bite.
It's awesome.
I like the sauce what you was putting on top of the chicken when you was, you know, what you told me, garlic and whatever you put. Wow.
Yeah, it was scorpion pepper and a bunch of different ingredients. So as we were saying in Trinidad, the food lashing. When you have good food in Trinidad and it's delicious, we say it lashing. Alright? So guys,
Would it be safe to say if it had too much of pepper, for example, you would say food kicking?
yeah, we could say chicken,
Oh, okay, okay.
or we could say it's spicy.
Oh, all right.
So let me open the little black book,
Yes.
and after this, I'm going to finish deal with that food.
Yeah, boy.
So unfortunately, we have come to the end of another exciting video. And you know, once I open the little black book, I want to call out some YouTubers. Some YouTubers that I consider my good friends. I just want to call out their channel. And you could go over, check out their channel. If you see something there that interests you, feel free to subscribe and watch a video. So we're going to start with Barbara's Kitchen. Barbara's Kitchen. What's up, Barbara? How you doing? Guys, check out Barbara's Kitchen. I could promise you wouldn't be, you know, she has so much videos over there, you wouldn't know what to watch. So just go and check out Barbara's Kitchen. So she's Trini in Finland, Senya, alright? Fluffy Diva. I can't leave out Fluffy Diva. That's my girl. Fluffy, what's going on? Stay fluffy, alright? Alright. And I wonder what's going on in the hot kitchen. Savis, wagwan. Big up yourself, Savis. Alright? Lady J. Bless up, Lady J. Roxanne British. Hey, Roxy. Alright. Shabnam Lifestyle. Marvelous TV. So marvelous. And Caribbean Girl Tony. Okay? So all these people are YouTubers, guys. Feel free to check out their channel. Until the next time, I'm out. Let me go and deal with this food. See you on another exciting video content.
I'm gonna deal with it bitter.
I'll deal with it bitter. Yeah, man.